YouTube? It is Spiritual Win, and I'm back at it again with another video, man. Just here to spread knowledge, love, and positivity, and the truth. Put that down. You know, I'm gonna make this video kind of fast, because I gotta go to work in a few minutes. But hey, so Mother Nature has had enough. You know, all these natural disasters that's going on right now. All the earthquakes that is indeed about to happen. You know. Bro, like this whole matrix that they built off of, for them to live off of, it has to come down. It just gotta come down, bro. Like, the earth needs to be reset completely. I do not care what nobody says. The earth needs to be reset. And we gotta go back to normal. And what I mean by we need to go back to normal, we need to go back to living on the earth. For example, Far Cry Primal is a huge example. You know, even though it was like a fighting combat game or whatever, but it actually showed that a lot of people, you know, the tribes and all that, they were living, you know, on the land. You know, connecting with Mother Earth, Mother Gaia. And not only that, we need to, like, eat more better. Not this sick BS that we're eating right now, these fast food chains and all that. Like I already been saying, like, you're eating human meat when you eating fast food. So like, this whole construct has to end. And I just realized something. So why was I asleep, right? No. I was editing one of my videos, right? I started thinking, did they actually put us in prison without even knowing it? For example, like all these houses they done built to take us out of nature and put us in these houses. Don't that sound like we're living in prison? Because to me, it sounds like we're living in prison. Not the prison that they done told you where the cops and the inmates be at. No, not that. I'm talking about these houses, these apartments, these mansion complexes. It all, like, all houses have walls and everything. Like, if you, like, in a room, for example, it has walls in it. That to me just, like, puts it in my brain that we're living in prison without even knowing it, without even realizing it. It's like this whole construct has to end, bro. 'Cause, you know, back in the day when people were living on the earth, they didn't use concrete. You know, they did use a little stone, you know. But at the same time, they used things from nature, Mother Earth. I mean, from the earth. That's what they used. They didn't use no concrete. They didn't use no machines. They didn't use no grass. No, none of that. They used things from the earth. You know. That's why this whole construct, it must go down. It literally has to go down. And now with these natural disasters, like I said, these earthquakes, for example, you know, the San Andreas fault line, the Mississippi fault line, you know, all that's going to open up and it's going to cause a major earthquake. You know, tsunamis, that's even going to come too. You know, and there's even more hurricanes coming. Like, you got to prepare for the worst. You have to prepare for the worst. Just like you have to, man. Even though I am happy right now, but hey, I love everybody, you know. One more thing before I end this video, you know. We just gotta stick together. It's just all a mental thing. It's all a mental thing. Like I keep saying, what's about to happen in the next few months, it's gonna affect you spiritually, physically, and mentally. And if you're not prepared for this, bro, you're not gonna make it. You won't make it. Like, the shift is real. The shift is very real, bro. It's gonna be a whole split between the chosen ones and these bots. A whole lot of bots is not gonna make it. You know, I'm even worried about my family. And you all should be concerned as well. Are they gonna wake up to this? Are they gonna wake up in this matrix? Because I have been seeing some videos, and I'm even seeing it with my own eyes. Our families, they're not here to wake up in this lifetime. You know, if you have awakened, you know, create your reality. You know, I really love y'all. You know, this is the end of this video. We're in the age of Aquarius. Everything is coming out. You know, if you need any consolation or advice, my social media will be in the description and on the screen. You know, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Mother Earth, she is done. She's done with this whole construct. She's done with this matrix. She ready to act the fool, my guy. She ready to act the whole fool. You know, before things could get good, the bad has to happen. This is a whole new rebirth. In a spiritual level. It's a whole new rebirth. You know, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. You know, share the video, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. To the next video, Spiritual Ian signing out. Peace.